Hello. Today we will be making a Dutch baby from Cowboy Kent Rollins. We will need 4 fresh eggs at room temperature, 3/4 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of butter. All right, let's get started. We are first going to start placing our ingredients in a mixing bowl. And we are also going to preheat our oven to 425. Half cup of flour. A whole cup of flour. A 1/2 cup of milk. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of cinnamon. A tablespoon of sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Now our 4 eggs. Now that our batter's well mixed, we can set it aside and start on our pan. We need to melt 3 tablespoons of butter in this pan over medium-high heat. So let's get that started. All right, now that our butter's fully melted, we're going to remove it from the heat and pour in our pancake batter. Now in the oven it goes. The oven is preheated to 425. And it goes in here for 16 to 17 minutes. We're going to set a timer. Alright, our 16 minutes is up and wow, that really set. I knew it was going to be puffy, but I didn't think it'd be that puffy. Wow, I needed to take the other rack out. Look at that. Well, we better get that out of there. Well, that puffed up way more than I thought it would. It looks really nice. It's a little gooey and buttery in the center, but that's what we want. It's gonna keep cooking for a little while in this pan. So let's just let it sit here and cool off for a little while, and then we'll try it out. All right, it's been about 20 minutes or so, and our Dutch baby is cool enough to touch. Let's try it out. Tear us off a bit here and try it out. It's basically a pancake. It's got a lot of butter in it. It's got a nice chewy texture. A little bit more fluffy and airy than a pancake. But it's still pretty good, and a lot more butter. At least more butter than I use on my pancakes. Let's give it a little bit of jelly, huh? See how that tastes. Yeah, just fine with the jelly. I don't know that it really added to it, but it's okay. How about some honey? That's pretty good too. Oh boy, we saved the best for last there, buddy. Let's try to put some of the good stuff on it, eh? Oh, by howdy, that's a mighty fine Flappy Jack there. Yeah, that's pretty good with all of it. So that's how you make a Dutch baby. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you make this yourself. Like and subscribe there, buddy.
Chickens, would you like a Dutch baby? No. Is it not good? Just okay, huh?